guys, today I just picked out some fidget toys from my bin of fidget toys and I'm going to be reviewing them. Oh, also some slime. So there's just a pile of over here. I'm just going to start with this one because it's not really a fidget toy. Well, you can't really fidget with it. Like, it's basically a bottle filled with water, glitter, and soap that I made way back when in first grade. And when you shake it, all the glitter goes around. It's like a snow globe of some sort. So if you wanted to make this, you would just need water. You could dye the water, like whatever you want, color you want with food dye. Add soap. I don't actually know why they added soap. Hi, Ruby. Hi, girl. My dog was just walking by me. Hi, baby. Hi. Okay, so sorry. I don't know why they added soap and it is still bubbly today. I guess just to make it look cooler, but you don't have to add soap. You really just only need like water, food coloring, and glitter. You could even put like other things in it besides glitter, like I don't know what else you would put in it. I don't know. You could put in like slime in there, I guess, or like not slime. I don't know why I said that. Like a little bouncy ball, I guess, and it would go like bing, crazy in there. So this isn't like a fidget toy. Like you can't really fidget with it, but like if you were going to school or work or wherever you go to, and it needs to be quiet, like, and you can't use like a loud pop it because that would be so loud. But like this, and you're like stressed, so this you could just shake it and then watch all the glitter just swirl around. And it's really pretty to look at. My door just blew open. I'll be back in 1 minute. Sorry about that interruption, but as I was saying, this would be like really good for like a school or work because you could just see it, all the glitter just settle down and it wouldn't be noisy at all. But you can't really do anything fidgety like it. Like, for example, with a Pop-It, I'm just gonna do my 2 Pop-Its next because I already took them out. Like, you could just pop the little bubbles, but with this, you just shake it and then look at it. So like, it's kind of boring. I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. It's not so satisfying or anything. Okay, next, I'm just gonna do my Pop-Its. I actually just got these from the Tooth Fairy. The other day, I lost a tooth. So, I didn't know the Tooth Fairy gave fidgets now. So. Pop-Its are one of my favorite fidget toys. Like, if you like Pop-Its, that's good for you. But I just don't really like them. Like, they don't keep me interested for like a long time. Like, it's literally just popping bubbles over and over again. But that's satisfying. I'm gonna put it up to my mic. That was nice. Like, I don't really understand the meaning of Pop-Its. To me, they're kind of overrated. But I just kind of like Simple Dimples better because they're usually like small. And if you're going on like an airplane trip and like you're waiting for your flight and you don't want to bring like a big fidget because you or something that's usable. Like you could bring that and you would just be able to pop both of them. And like they're usually keychains, so you like can attach them to your bag or whatever. But like mini poppets like this one sometimes have a little keychain hook, but they're just not really my thing. But let me pop this one to satisfy you. Okay, so like I said before, I don't really have much of a thing for poppets just because like there's not much you can do with them besides just pop endlessly, because like after popping like so much amount of bubbles, and excuse the dog hair on everything, like you just get bored of it. But I'm gonna try to pop both of these at the same time. Yeah, but they're cute designs. But this heart color, I mean, I never heard of a green, blue, and dark blue heart. Like I have, but I never think of that. And it's not very pretty. But the unicorn's nice. It's a pretty shade of pink. Like I like these colors, but together they don't look so good, honestly. So I give both of these poppets, I'm rating them like the same because like they're basically the same thing but a different shape and color. So like I rate both of these like a 3 out of 10 just because poppets aren't one of my favorite fidget toys. Leave a comment down below what your favorite fidget toy is. I want to know. Okay, so next we have these sticky squishy balls. Like, look, they are sticking. Now we have double squishy ball. I like these squishy balls, but they probably won't keep you interested for a long time. Just because like you could really only like squish them, and stretch them. There's nothing else you could do with them. So, but I like them. Like they're not one of my favorite fidget toys. Oh, the other day I made this ginormous squishy ball out of Orbeez, and it feels better to squish, like it's like a massage, than whatever is in these. Also, leave a comment down below if you know what's inside of these squishies. Because like you could just squish these forever and then like you'll get bored eventually. But they are also good for like your job or your school, like just to squish, because they don't make much of a sound, but they do make a good sound up close. Also, it looks kind of fun when it squishes, but there's nothing really that you can do with them. But they would be good at work or school, just for a stress ball. No, I'm gonna rate this one separately, like than these ones, because they're like different. They have like different stuff in them. Like this one has Orbeez. This one has like, I don't know, like some kind of like shaving cream like thing. And then I personally like the Orbeez one better, so I'm rating, but like here. Sounds so satisfying. But for these, I'll give them like 4 out of 10. Like, yeah, I'll give both of these a 4 out of 10 because like they're okay for me. Like I like these better than puppets. Just, they won't keep me interested for so long. But, oh, that feels good. It's like a hand massage. Okay. 5. These are also 5 out of 10 like this because of massage. Feels good. Okay. Now this, I also probably just like it a little better because I made it myself. But this is also like but I wouldn't like bring this to school. Well, you could, but since you just, like, it's kind of loud. So your teacher might be like, put that away. It's too loud. The students aren't paying attention. But these, like, don't really have a noise at all. But I just personally like this better. It just feels so nice on your hand. Look, that little Orbeez trying to poke out. Oh wait, that's just the bottom of the balloon. Silly. So I'll give this like maybe an 8 out of 10. I'm getting distracted by this one. It's so satisfying. Okay. Next is, this is the last of my fidget toy. No, second last of my fidget toys. And then I have 2 slimes that I want to do. This is a blue creeper fidget toy. Creepers are usually green. Yes, I do play Minecraft. But it looks kind of cool blue. Maybe that will come in the next update, blue creepers. I don't know. Yeah, it's not so squishy. It's kind of like a stress ball. But it's like pretty squishy. It's nice feeling. I like these types of squishies better than foam squishies. Just in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, next I have this water wiggler, which it goes from a Yeti to a cute dog. Yeah, water wigglers are nice. I feel like they're like, I don't know what to say, but they're not my favorite fidget toy. I like them. They're cute. They're fun to play with. They're satisfying. Look, it's half and half. What is this monster thing? Oh. So, yeah, I like this. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. It's nice. Okay. Look, it's kind of funny if you squish the water in this or whatever liquid is in this to one place, it like fills up. I have a big head. That looks cute. Okay. Yeah, again, just to remind you what I gave it, I gave you this a 6 out of 10. And I like these. It's pretty good. Now I'm going on to my 2 slimes. This is a cloud slime, and this is Cloud Putty. I had this one for a while, this one too. I'm gonna do the cloud slime first. I got this in a little kit where you like put the charms in and the sprinkles in or whatever goes in. Like there's some sprinkles in there, and I put a watermelon charm on it. Oh gosh, I love watermelons. They're so delicious. My favorite fruit. It leaves like a film on your hands. It's pretty clicky, but you can't really hear it. Well, it's not really clicky. Let me do it up to the mic so you could probably hear it better. It's not the stretchiest. It's pretty stretchy. Oh, that looks so nice. Most store-bought slimes that I get aren't very clicky. Oh, by the way, next week, I post every Saturday or Sunday. I try to. I'm gonna be reviewing one of Peachy Baby's slime. Well, maybe not next week, like in a few weeks from now I might be reviewing it because I ordered it. Look how long I got from me doing this. I don't know why that's funny. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the cloud putty, and I rate this like, this is nice slime. This is like a 9 out of 10. But it did leave a film on my hand, so it's more like an 8 out of 10 because of the film. I don't know if you guys can see, like on my hand, it has like little films on it. Okay, this is my last thing that I'm gonna review today. It's Cloud Putty Eye. Had this for a long, long time. It feels so soft. It literally feels like a cloud. That's probably why they call it Cloud Putty. Kind of sticks to the container a little bit, but it's not sticky like to me. Well, it is so stretchy. Like, look how stretchy it is. You can't even see it in the camera. I can play jump rope with this. Oh, why can't I make a wrap? Oh, that time my slime failed. This is a tiny amount of slime. It used to fill up all of this, but like when I bring it to school last year in 2nd grade, they were amazed by it. They loved this, and they forced me to give little bits to them, like some parts to them. So, if you do get this slime, which I don't know where I got it from, maybe like Five Below or the dollar store, I don't know. Like, it will be full. Trust me, I just lost some over the years. Yes, I think I might be actually doing it. Making the little slime swirl. Okay, this is a weird swirl. Wait, I want you to hear the clicking sound better. Beautiful sounding. Okay, this is a really good slime, or I guess it's a putty because on the front it says, I don't know if you could see it, but it does say it. It says Cloud Putty. You probably can't really see it. It says it there. but it does say it. It's just like see-through, so. I wonder if I put the slime in there, you might be able to see it a little better. You could kind of see it. Okay, so that's the end of today's review of everything. I give this one a 10 out of 10. It is so nice, so soft, so fluffy. And thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates on all our new videos. And check out some of my other videos. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye. I'm trying to wave with you seeing it. Bye.